Introducing this 2016 Toyota Sienna XLE conversion van. Offering a VMI NorthStar automatic in-floor ramp and kneeling system. This vehicle features a 3.5-liter V6 engine and only 23,000 miles. With the touch of a button, your sliding door and ramp will stow or deploy. Featuring removable front driver and passenger seats and a sunroof. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2016 Toyota Sienna XLE conversion van. Call AutoMobility Store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.